Hello and welcome friends on another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to learn simple past tense in the series of passive sentences. So here we have the positive and negative formula of simple past tense. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that I get supported, and those who are new to our channel, I would suggest them to start learning from the very first lecture so that they don't miss anything in between. So let's begin with the positive and negative formula in today's lecture. Positive formula of simple past tense in passive formation is object plus was were plus verb 3, and negative is object plus was were plus not plus verb 3, and verb 3 here stands for past participle form of the verb, so that is going to be used in all the passive sentences. And as we talked earlier, we are going to use 8 tenses in passive. Number 6 and last 3, 10, 11 and 12 are not applicable in passive formations. Those who want to refer to the active tenses again, they can start learning from lecture number 12 in our playlist section. So let's go through the practice sentences, guys, now. And the first sentence is appearing on your screen at the moment, and the first sentence says that gulab jamun was made. Gulab jamun is a recipe, sweet or dessert, I would say. Gulab jamun was made or cooked at my home today. Gulab jamun was not bought from the market. So here we can club positive and negative sentences in such a way that we can make our communication effective, and we can also learn some simple topics of grammar step by step and in an easy manner. Second example, the dry fruits were added while making gulab jamun. The spices were not added while making the jamuns. So if you see these sentences, guys, it is really very crucial to have objects in these sentences, and these sentences begin with object, on which the activity is performed according to the definition. And if you want to refer to those definitions and all the nitty-gritty of little things, you can start learning from the very first lecture in our playlist section. Third sentence, before that, here we have used the time initially, and then we put comma behind it so that the sentence begins with object, the dry fruits. Before that, the dry fruits were soaked in water. Before that, the dry fruits were not soaked. I just put not in it, and we can have the negative sentences in such a simple manner as well. If you want to make it a little bit different, then you can have some changes in negative. Fourth sentence, less sugar or salt were added in all the recipes. Extra sugar or salt were not added in any recipe. Fifth sentence, gulab jamun was made to celebrate Ram Navami, Sri Ram Navami. Gulab jamun was not made without any reason. Right. My home was decorated on this day. My home was not decorated without a reason. So here we have all the sentences in cohesiveness and correlated. They have some link between each other, and we can generate ideas in such a way that it improves our thought process as well, and we can learn grammar topics step by step in an easy manner. Seventh sentence, the Lord was offered bhog after making all the recipes. The Lord was not offered bhog late. So we offer the God bhog, means the food items that we prepare at home, but before we eat, we consume it. It is the first right is of God, because everything has been given by the Almighty, and they don't need our food, but it is our love or affection that we offer them first, and then we take it as prasadam. So eighth sentence, all were given prasadam after offering the Lord a bhog. All were not served food before offering the Lord. So positive negative sentences are also clubbed, and this is the way we communicate in our mother tongues or in any other language of the world, and that is the natural way to communicate. And we should also know and learn this kind of communication, effective communication, so that it can help us everywhere. Ninth sentence, children were told the story of Ramayana. children were not sent to school on the day, on the Sri Ram Navami day. 10th sentence, Sri Ram Navami was celebrated with much fanfare. Sri Hanumanji was not forgotten while celebrating. So here we have 10 sentences, and all these sentences would definitely guide your way to improve your thought process and generate more and more ideas to apply the grammar topics that we learn on our channel in all the lectures. So I hope guys you would like today's lecture, and don't forget to like our lecture, and please share our channel to your friends and family so that they can also subscribe and have an opportunity to learn such an easy way to have to boost the communication in English language particularly. Thank you guys very much for joining us today.